In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play drum in BandLab. By the end, you'll know how to log in, open a project, load the drum machine, build a beat, and place it on your timeline. Start by going to bandlab.com. On the home page, choose Login. On the Sign In screen, select the Google option, pick your Google account, and press Continue to grant access. After you're signed in, navigate to Library from the main menu. Open the project you want to work on, then click Studio to launch the editor where all the music making happens. Inside Studio, add a new track so your drums have their own lane. Click Add Track, then choose Drum Machine. This opens BandLab's Step Sequencer drum instrument. You'll see a kit selector. For this walkthrough, we'll use the Lo-Fi Jam kit as a reference. If you don't see it immediately, click the button labeled 808 to expand the full list of kits and drum pads. Browse the list, listen to a few options, and select the drum pad or kit that fits your track's vibe. Now let's program the beat. The grid you see is a step sequencer. Each row is a sound like kick, snare, and hi-hat, and each column is a step in the bar. Click a box to place a hit, click again to remove it. A simple starting point is a kick on the first beat, snare in the middle of the bar, and a steady hat pattern. Feel free to experiment. This is where groove and feel come to life. If you want instant inspiration, try the pre-made patterns A and B. Load one, listen, and tweak the hits to make it your own. Remember, less can be more. Leave space so the drums breathe with the rest of your track. When your pattern sounds right, it's time to arrange it. Click and drag the Add button from the drum machine into the timeline. Drop it exactly where you want the drums to start in your arrangement. You can drag in multiple clips to build verses and choruses, or place a single clip to test how it blends with your existing tracks. If you update the pattern later, simply drag a fresh clip onto the timeline so your changes are reflected. That's it, you've logged in, opened your project, loaded the drum machine, selected a kit, created a pattern on the grid, and added it to your arrangement. Revisit the kit list through the 808 button anytime to try different textures, and use the grid to refine your rhythm until it locks in with your song. Enjoy building your drum parts in BandLab.